Hey guys, so this is me just showing you guys a good way to have a protective hairstyle that's very versatile and looks very real. This is the Purple Pack 4A and 4C hair mixed. So you can see I put the curly hair, I think they called it coily on the bottom, and I alternated. So I did coily, kinky, and then in the center here, I did like coily, kinky up into here. I usually part my hair on this side, so I did some crochets here so it could look more like it's my hair. It'll look even more realistic once my hair grows out and the roots aren't so tight from the braids. Even though it's not braided tight, you can see it's not, the braids aren't tight. And then I did a part on this side too so I could alternate, and I did the braid like this so that if the wind blows, you won't see that braid. I was thinking of alternating between the kinky and coily in this area too, but I'm actually going to go with the kinky instead because it's bushier, which means it's going to be fuller, and it's going to hide the braid more without me having to put a bunch of hair in there. Also, the coily hair is a little silkier. So, sorry, I dropped the hair. This is what the hair looks like. I cut it off the weft. And you can see the sizes that I'm taking are pretty full. I don't want to take like super small pieces. You don't want to do them too big because then the knot is going to be obvious, but I'm not doing a knot. I'm just simply looping it through. And the reason that is because this hair is kinky, so I don't feel like a knot is needed, and I'm not going to be manipulating it like that so that I would have to be worried about it being secure. I mean, the braid is still there, but like I said, once my hair grows out some, it'll be less noticeable because the roots will be puffy. It's hard to see just in the mirror. So see, like if the wind blows back, it'll look like it's just my hair. You see from the part. So in this case, I didn't do the braid straight across like that. It's kind of slanted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through this part right here with this big section. And the reason I'm using a big amount of hair in a big section is because if I use a small one, it's going to be hell getting that out. Also, it's going to look better. See? I don't want a bunch of little pieces there. And now I'm going to do this part right here. Which honestly, I don't like how my hair looks when it's parted on the left. But I'm trying to challenge myself to keep my hair in for more than a week because I change my hair a lot. I get bored easily. So I was like, maybe if I have more versatility, I'm more likely to keep the style in. I don't know, wishful thinking. But, so just do 2 small braids and connect them so that you can have a realistic part. A lot of times I see people with crochet braids with the Moses part. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Look like Moses parted it. It's deep as hell. You could fit like a whole pinky in there. It's not natural looking. I don't know why people do that. The best way to avoid that is to do small braids very close to each other. Because when you go through the braid with the hair, it's going to naturally cause some separation. So you want it to look like it's sitting on top of each other, because when you actually put the crochet hair in, it won't anymore. If you do the part too spaced out, the hair pulls on it. It pulls on the part and separates it. So if you do the hair too spaced out from the beginning, it just makes it look wider, and then it just looks like you're balding. Not a good look. Some of these I'm pulling some of the hair through it to create like fuzz. That just helps it look more realistic. I ran out of here. I'll be right back. Guess who's back? Okay. So that side's done. I'm going to do this side. Everything else is sewn in. Oh, damn. Everything else is sewn in. Like I said, I'm not knotting it. If you want to, you can. I just know when I go to take this out, it's going to be a lot easier because it's not knotted. And it's easier for me to loosen it at the roots a little bit if I want to. You shouldn't need to if you do like I said, a good spacing between the braids, but just in case. So, there you go. Boom. So if I want to wear it back like this, I can. Like I said, see, I could play with the roots like that. If I don't want it to look too, you know what I mean? Too fake. So you can wear it back like that. You can part it on this side. And wear it like this. Or I could part it on this side. Now my hairline is different on this side, so the braids is different. So I could part it on this side too. Like I said, I'm probably not going to wear it on this side because it's just not my favorite side. For today, I'm going with this side. Or, what I like about what I did here too, especially with using the kinky and coily mix, if I want to just do kind of like a bang, I can also do bangs and just kind of shape it like that. So it's really like fro-ish. So you get 4 looks out of a sewing. Front bangs, side bangs on the left side, side bangs on the right side, or just straight back. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. It's good to be back. Rate, subscribe, like, dislike. Don't be mean. Some of y'all gonna be mean, but it's fine. Nobody cares. I love y'all. That's it. Bye.